Listen to this before giving up. We are living in times where many people smile on the outside, but inside they are tired, emotionally drained, confused, and disconnected from their purpose. And today, I want to tell you something clearly. Not everyone who comes into your life is sent by God. There are people who come to support you, but there are also people who come to distract you, manipulate you, drain your energy, dim your focus, and slowly destroy your peace. That's why now more than ever, man, rise up. Woman, wake up. Family, stand firm, because the enemy doesn't always show up with horns. Sometimes he comes disguised as friendship, disguised as opportunity, disguised as a relationship, disguised as momentary pleasure, disguised as people who only want to consume your time, your emotions, and your stability. And while you waste time trying to please everyone, your purpose grows cold, your home grows weak, your dreams are delayed, and your peace begins to disappear. Listen to me. Not everything that glitters is good for you. Not every connection is a blessing. Not all attention deserves access to your life. That's why you need discernment, you need prayer, you need character, you need self-love, you need to return to God. Because when a person decides to walk with purpose, they will automatically face opposition. But here's the difference. The strong endure, the wise discern, the brave keep moving forward. Today the world is full of distractions, social media, addictions, infidelity, bad friendships, comparisons, depression, anxiety, ego, vanity, empty content, empty people. And while many are busy wasting time, others are building their future, restoring their family, and creating a legacy for their children. Listen carefully. Your focus cannot be on impressing people. Your focus has to be on your family, your mental health, your relationship with God, your children, your finances, your goals, your business, your peace, your purpose. Because at the end of the day, the people who truly love you not only celebrate your successes, they also respect your process, your time, and your boundaries. Learn this. There are people who only show up when you have something to give, but disappear when you need support. That's why you need to stop begging for attention. Stop chasing people. Stop exhausting yourself trying to save those who don't want to change. Focus, pray, work, heal, move forward. And always remember these three fundamental principles to protect your life. Places. Not every place deserves your presence. There are environments that slowly destroy your peace and your purpose. People. Surround yourself with people who pray with you, not those who compete with you. People who lift you up, not those who drag you down. Things. Don't live as a slave to material things. Money helps, but peace is worth more. Discipline is worth more. Family is worth more. God is worth more. Because there are men and women who have money, but they don't have peace. They have followers, but they live empty lives. They have fame, but they don't have purpose. And today God is raising up a different generation. A generation with character, with discipline, with vision, with values, with faith, with a hunger to grow, with a desire to restore their home, with a drive to move forward without destroying anyone. If you're reading this, don't give up. Even if you're tired, keep going. Even if you've cried, keep going. Even if others have let you down, keep going. Even if no one believes in you, keep going. Because God is not finished with you. There is still purpose in your life. There is still fire inside you. There is still blessing for your home. Get up, shake off your fear, regain your focus, protect your family, take care of your mind, honor God, and keep moving forward. Because true men and women of courage are not destroyed by trials, they are strengthened by them. Today is the day to refocus your life. Today is the day to regain your peace. Today is the day to believe again. And remember this, whatever you do it with love, do it with purpose, and do it for the glory of God.